Ever wondered how to make the perfect spaghetti and shrimp fra diavolo? That tantalizing Italian dish that combines the succulence of shrimp with the tanginess of a spicy tomato sauce, all twirled around a forkful of perfectly cooked spaghetti? Well, wonder no more. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind this fiery delight. Imagine this, a plate of al dente spaghetti, generously tossed in a spicy tomato sauce, generously laden with plump, perfectly cooked shrimp. The aroma of garlic and red pepper flakes wafting through the air, the vibrant red of the sauce contrasting against the pale spaghetti and the pink shrimp. That's spaghetti and shrimp fra diavolo for you. Now, the first step in creating this masterpiece is to heat a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, it's time to add in the star of the show, the shrimp. Season them with salt and pepper and cook until they're just pink. Remember, they will continue to cook in the sauce later, so underdone is better than overdone at this stage. Once they're done, remove them from the skillet and set them aside. Next up, in the same skillet, add minced garlic and red pepper flakes. Sauté them until the garlic is golden and the air is filled with a spicy aroma. Then, pour in a can of crushed tomatoes and let the sauce simmer until it thickens. This is a good time to add in a splash of dry white wine. It adds depth to the sauce and balances out the heat of the pepper flakes. While the sauce is simmering away, bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add in the spaghetti and cook until al dente. Drain the pasta, but remember to reserve some of the pasta water. This starchy water is a secret weapon in making the sauce stick to the pasta. As the sauce thickens, stir in the cooked shrimp and let them simmer in the sauce until they're perfectly cooked. If the sauce seems too thick, add in a splash of the reserved pasta water. The final step is to toss the cooked spaghetti in the skillet with the shrimp and sauce. Ensure every strand of spaghetti is coated in the spicy, shrimp-laden sauce. And there you have it, a perfect plate of spaghetti and shrimp fra diavolo. A dish that's a delight to the senses, a melody of flavors and textures. It's spicy, it's tangy, it's savory, and it's waiting to be devoured. So go ahead, give this recipe a try and bring a piece of Italy right into your kitchen. After all, good food is not just about eating, it's about creating memories around the dining table, one delicious bite at a time. And remember, the secret to a great spaghetti and shrimp fra diavolo lies not just in the ingredients, but in the love and passion you put into making it. Because at the end of the day, cooking is not just a skill, it's an art that brings joy, comfort, and a sense of togetherness, one plate at a time.